Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students, friends, and viewers. In today's video, we are going to learn the term civil society. What is civil society? Civil society usually refers to the many private groups and institutions that operate between the individual and the state, from business organizations and trade unions to religious institutions, voluntary organizations, non governmental organizations, and interest groups of all kinds. These all are the parts of civil society. When we talk about civil society, it doesn't mean that we are talking about government, and it doesn't mean that we are talking about any governmental institution. Rather, civil society means that private groups and institutions. Which type of private groups and institutions? Which operate to connect and which operates between the individual and the state. And these groups and institutions may range from business organizations, different trade unions, and religious institutions as well are the part of business society, voluntary organizations, and many other non-governmental organizations which are generally known as NGOs, and different interest groups. If we talk about the German philosopher Hegel, he distinguished and he explained the difference between the family and civil society, because as per Hegel, family is not a part of civil society, but according to many other theorists and many other political philosophers, family is also an institution within civil society, and they didn't exclude this institution family with from the domain of civil society. So I hope you all have understood this term civil society. In case of any confusion, any query, you may post your queries in comment section. I will definitely answer all your queries. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.